If you saw the video about this zinc yellow Mustang Mach 1 that the owner found sitting like this outside, you'll know that the car had great potential. And the owner of this car has now restored it and it looks fantastic. The car has now been repainted. I think it looks amazing. And the owner of this car could have repainted it himself. He was skilled to do so. He did all the prep work himself. He got it all ready for paint, and then he had a local shop do the paint work. He had the windows tinted and he put the hood stripe on himself, and that looks really good. This looks as good as new. I'm very happy to see this car back the way it should be. It looks fantastic. When the shop did the paint job on the car, they accidentally painted the spoiler zinc yellow like the rest of the car. So the owner decided that he would do the spoiler himself, and he repainted the spoiler beautiful matte black the way it should be, and it looks great. This car has really come together. I'm so excited to see such a great story. You can see his screaming yellow 04 GT convertible there too. Awesome car though. I'm very happy about this. I think this is a great update. A lot of times you see cars like this that don't get restored, but this one was saved and restored, and now it is show worthy. The owner plans to do Flowmaster Weldon mufflers. He wants to keep the Mach 1 stock rolled tips. He plans to get the LMR deep dish Mach 1 wheels for the car. And the only thing else he's really working on right now is the ABS module. The ABS light is on this car, and that's very common on a lot of Mach 1s and GTs. I see it all the time. Usually it's the module, so he's going to work to resolve that. But other than that, car looks fantastic, absolutely awesome. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more Mustang content.